students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. So starting with the first diagram. So this is our first diagram. This angle, we can name this as, let's say this is A, let's say this is B, and let's say this is C, and let's say this is the point D. We have to find out the value of the angle ACD. Here, let's say angle ACD is equals to x. We have to find out the value of this x. We know that the exterior angle is sum of the interior opposite angles. So here interior opposite angles are A and B. So we can say that the angle ACD is equals to the sum of the angle A plus angle B. That from here is equals to 50 plus 50 degree plus 70 degree. So which from here is equals to 50 plus 70 is equals to 120 degree. So from here we can say that the value of the x or answer to the part 1 is equals to 120 degree. So this is the answer to the part 1. Now the next part is let's say this triangle is given to us. So we are going to name this, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and let's say this is the extended point D. So here we have to find out the value of the angle CBX. So we have to find out the angle CBD, which is, let's say, is equals to x. As we know that the exterior angle is the sum of the interior angle, so we can say that the angle CBD is equals to the angle A plus angle C. Angle A is 65 degree and angle C is 45 degree. So 65 plus 45 is equals to 110 degree. So 110 degree is the value of the x, hence the answer to the part second of this question. Now let's discuss the part third. So this is our third part. Let's say this is A, let's say this is B, this is C, and let's say this is D. We have to find out the value of the angle BAD. So here we are going to use this. Let's say we are considering that angle ABAD is equals to x, and we know that the sum of basically exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior angle. So we can say that the angle BAD must be equals to the angle B plus angle C, which are the opposite angles. So we can say that this is x, angle B is equals to 30 degree plus angle C is equals to 40 degree. So solving this term from here, we get the value of x, that is equals to 70 degree. So this is the answer to the part C of this question. Now let's discuss the part D. Let's say we are naming this as PQR. Let's say this is S. We have to find out the value of PRS. Angle PRS is what we need to find out. So let's say we are considering that is PRS is equals to x. As we know that the exterior angle is the sum of the interior opposite angle. So we can say that the PRS is equals to the angle P plus angle Q, which are opposite interiors angle. So PRS is x, angle P is given, which is 60, plus angle Q is given, which is also 60. Adding this both this angle, we get the value of x, that is equals to 120 degree. So this is the answer to the part 4th of this question. Now let's discuss the part 5th. Again naming this, let's say this is P, this is Q, this is R, let's say this is the extended S. We have to find out the value of the Q, R and S. So we are considering about the part 5th. We have to find out the value of the QRS, that is given x. As we know that exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angle. So angle QRS must be equals to angle Q plus angle P plus angle Q, that is equals to 50 degree plus 50 degree. So from here x is equals to 50 plus 50, that is equals to 100 degree. So the answer to the part 5th is 100. Now let's discussing the part 6. So here, so this is P, this is Q, this is R, let's say this is the point S. We have to find out the value of angle RPS. So here, this is the answer to the part 6 here. Angle QPS, it's equals to x. So, sorry, this is R. So, angle RPS is equals to x. As we know that the sum of exterior angle is equals to interior angle, so we can say that the angle RPS is equals to the angle R plus angle, look here, this is angle R and angle Q. Angle R is 30 and angle Q is 90. Angle R plus angle Q, that is equals to x is equals to 30 plus 60. So solving this, we get the value of x, that is equals to 90 degree. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of triangle and its property. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.